So this tutorial just explains what to do when we send you important documents that need to be reviewed and signed electronically, which we will send to you via email through Docusign. So when you open up the email, it'll look something like this. It'll say it is from an Aintree Group employee. For instance, here it says Fiona Greenslade, and it will have that via Docusign there as well. Down the bottom of the screen where it says this is an email and should be read, that is where we will put important information that you need to read before you go in and sign that document. So that will come up as the actual contents of the email. Once you've read the email, just click the yellow Review Document button and Docusign will open it up in a new window for you. Once the new window loads, you will need to click to accept the use of electronic signing and just click the yellow Review Document button again. Once the document is open, make sure you go through and read it thoroughly before you sign anything. If you don't understand something or you have any questions, just call or email Aintree Group and we'll be able to help you out. This is just an example document that we've put together for this tutorial, so there's not a lot of information to read in this one. Once you've read through and are ready to sign, you can see where the signature indicators are. They're the yellow buttons. You just click on it. It will come up with this window that has your name and an initial. You can choose to either draw your signature in with your mouse, or most people prefer to choose select a style and just pick one of the options that Docusign provides for you there. Once you're happy with your signature, click the yellow Adopt and Sign button in the top right corner of the window. Just be aware sometimes the select style options might cover that Adopt and Sign button, so if you can't see it, it might be hiding behind there. Other things you might be asked to do in a Docusign document is approve. So there's a grey approve button there that you can click on just to show us that you have read what's in the document and you agree to it. And there's also an initial button which you can click, and that will automatically fill in your initial based on the information that was in the signature window that came up before. The word text in the middle of the screen there is just showing you that sometimes we will add additional notes to the Docusign document before we send it through to you. Only the people who the document is addressed to will be able to see that text. Once everything's been reviewed and signed, you can click the yellow Finish button in the top right hand corner. You'll be automatically directed to the Aintree Group website, but you will also be sent an email from Aintree Group that will tell you that the process has been completed, the Docusign document has been signed and approved and put through to us. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you have any more questions about how to process Docusign documents, you can just get in touch with us.